guys, we've got the Ruger LCP Max. Should be the same as the LCP2. We're going to clear it, chamber check, and we're going to pull back just a little bit right here. We're going to take our little tool, we're going to slide behind the little pin right there. So whatever kind of, you might have a screwdriver or something that gets it back. You pop your little pin out, just like that. Pull the pin out, slide it off. This is ready to clean. Now we're just going to take the spring, pull it out, and then we're going to take the barrel, pull it out. Now this is disassembled and ready to clean. So you can go clean it and come back. We put the barrel back in. Going to put the spring in, put the empty end or the free end of the spring toward the front. This goes to the rear and it seats down that little divot right there. So we're going to seat it here. Put it down in the divot. Now your little pin here goes in between this part. That's what holds it on. So we're going to slide it in. We've got our hole here. Now if you see here to where there's that piece in the way, we have to slide it back just right there. And then we have to kind of push this little spring right there down as we get it in. And sometimes these are tough to get in. Just going to slide it. You may have to pull back on the slide a little bit, just like that. There we go. Once we pulled it and we wiggled it, we got it seated past the plastic right there. Magazine back in. This is reassembled and it's ready to go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.